I want you to be here with me. I know it sounds crazy. I miss your laugh and I miss everything we used to be. And even if it is just for a while, then God, please give us the time. I can't deal with the reality. There's nothing left that I can do, 'cause my heart is just missing you.
Different ways to say, I miss you. My days are incomplete without you. My days are incomplete without you. I miss the good time we had together. I wish you were here with me right now. I wish you were here with me right now. I feel your absence. I feel your absence. I yearn for you. I yearn for you.